last 24 hours was one of the toughest days ever spent in a restaurant. Last night, we did get rid of the chef, which was a positive move. Now, I need Drew to step up to the mark, Jeremy to support his mother more. I got here early this morning, so I'm going to check out the place properly, with no interference. Jesus. Christ almighty, where'd you start in a place like this? Roast beef? Dating back when? What is that there? Just meat defrosting. Again, no sign of what it is. Fresh Parma ham is caked in mould. This is outrageous. Look at it. It sticks to your fucking hand. It's that rancid. Whoa, fucking hell. That's just over 3 months old. Jesus Christ almighty. Oh, God.